I will discuss about why we use this PVC pipe into column for casting. If we see the inside column, then we will understand why you use this PVC pipe for casting concrete. Here you see the tie rod. Inside this column inside have this portion have 3 tie rod and this portion have 2 tie rod. Here tie rod to tie rod gap is 200. So when we casting by boom pump, the boom pump pipe need to input this column. So sometimes this boom pump pipe cannot go into the bottom portion of this column. That's why we need to first input this PVC pipe. This PVC pipe dia is 200 millimeter. When we stirrup binding finish, then we input this pipe. Then when we casting start, then boom pump pipe need to input through this hole. This boom pump, this pipe input into bottom of the column, remaining 3 to 400 gap. So when we input the boom pump pipe into this pipe and we will continue concrete, so there will be no segregation. So we know that if concrete fall down from to 1.5 meter to 2 meter, then concrete don't segregate. But if more than 1.5 meter, then segregate of concrete happened. That's why we need to more conscious about this issue. When we will continue concreting, when concrete up, then we will also this pipe up and continue our concreting process. Then when top, middle or half portion finish, then we will put out this pipe and continue with boom pump pipe. So now you understand why you use this pipe for concreting. This pipe is temporary pipe, not permanent. So the main reason is this pipe is concrete placing in proper way and proper height. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Also share this video for know everyone the new technique and new technology for civil construction.
Down, down. Boom has to down them. Boom, boom. Nice. Up, up, up. Arjun.